welcome to the new chapter Economics. So in this new chapter Development, let us discuss about that development. Yes, here we always want to achieve the progress, is it? So we want to satisfy our needs. After we want to achieve more. Then this year how much we satisfy our wants and how much we earn. Also in next year we want to achieve larger scale than before. Is it? It means we want to achieve year by year, we want to achieve more, we want to earn more, we want to satisfy our needs very efficiently. Is it? So in the same manner, here we can see the country, every country want to achieve the progress. Is it? Every country want to achieve the progress and it want to satisfy its country people fundamental needs. So nowadays we seeing the welfare countries are there. All countries want to achieve the welfare. Is it? What is the welfare? To ensuring the fundamental facility to its country people is called the welfare. So all countries want to make the country welfare country. Is it? So it always provides the what is quality and quantity goods and services for its country peoples. Is it? Through this manner, the country also always attempt to achieve the progress. Is it? So, it want to make the development of its economy. Is here, what is the development? What is the definition of the development? How we want to achieve our goal and aims and want to satisfy our needs. Here, similarly, a country is also want to achievement. What type of the achievement it need? It want to fulfill the fundamental needs of its country citizen. It want to provide the quality and quantity goods and services to its country citizen. Through that it want to achieve the development. Is it? What is our desire? To want to progress. Is it? So we fulfill our needs. We want to achieve something. Similarly, it is for the individual. For country is a public. Is it? It want to work for the societies. In a sense, it want to fulfill the needs of the people who live in the society. Is it? So for that intention, the always country want to provide the quality and quantity goods and services for its country citizen. Yes, let us move for the definition. What is the meaning of development? Is here the process of enhancing the society capacity. What is the process of enhancing the society's capacity to satisfy its needs on the large scale. What is enhancing the society's capacities by how? Providing the more and more quantities and goods and services. In next we discuss about that. How we enhancing the quality of the society. Yes, capacity of the society. To satisfy its needs on the large scale. What is to satisfy its needs for the large scale. How it provides the it satisfy the needs in large scale. This is called the development. This is called the for the development. Development means progress. Development means what? Progress. Here the process of enhancing society capacity. Enhancing society capacity means what? Providing the fundamental needs. Providing the employment opportunity. Through that we enhance the people. Is it? Otherwise it is impossible. No? Through enhancing the society capacity to satisfy its need on large scale, to satisfy their needs is in the large scale. This is considered as what? It is development. Is development is different from the economic development. Is it? Is it? So we are using the word development regularly in our daily life. But the economic development is also different. Let us discuss about that. What is the economic development? The definition is likewise increase in the country's capacity to serve the economic interest of its citizen. But it is same manner. Increase the country's capacity to serve the economic interest. Increasing the country capacity to serve the economic interest. It's of its citizen to overcoming economic problems. What is enhancing the capacity? In the sense, utilizing the available resources very much. Is it? And enhancing the capacity of the country to serve the economic interest. Economic interest means what needs, what the needs the country peoples have. So the government should fulfill the fundamental needs. Is it? So serve the economic interest of its citizen, overcoming the economic problems. Afterwards, here we should solve some problems of economic problems. We should solve that. What are those? Poverty, is it? Unemployment, then inequality, inflation. These are all the economic problems. What it is to fulfill the fundamental needs of the country citizen. Is it? Through that, to solve the economic problem like the poverty, unemployment, inflation and inequality. To solve this, so this is called the economic progress. Okay. What is the general meaning? To fulfill the fundamental needs or necessity of the people, country peoples, and to solve the economic problems like the poverty, unemployment, inequality and inflation is called the economic development, economic progress. Okay, so this is all about the definition of economic development. First one definition is about only development. Second one definition is it belongs to the economic development. Belongs to economic development. Understood now? Through that, always here every country want to fulfill its country citizen fundamental needs. As afterwards, it is the increasing the economic activities. Afterwards, it provide the fundamental needs and good quality and quantitative goods and services to the peoples. Okay. Let us move for the next topic, that is development. As we can see here, development and underdevelopment is there. In today's class, let us discuss about the development only. As we use this word development usually in our daily life, is it? In commonly we are giving the definition for the development is progress. Is it? Commonly we using this word development in our daily life. What is the meaning of development means? Progress. Is before we add something, is it? So likewise, women and children development, economical development, social development, political development, educational development, is it? It means it is the development in a particular field. We can see here, education development means progress in the education field. Is it? Women and children development means progress in the women and children field. Is it? So what it is, before the development, when we give them, what it is, when we add the word afterwards, we consider that it is the development of the particular, what is field. Is it? Here the economic development means what it is, ensuring the fundamental needs to its country citizen and eradicate all economic problems is called the, what it is, economical development. As here, let us discuss about the economic development. We using the word development in our daily life, it means the progress. It is like social development, economical development, political development, social, what it is, women and children development. Is it educational development? Likewise, we are using the word. But here, many more economists is giving a variety definition for the economics. As here, let us discuss about that. Professor Mayer Baldwin. What is Professor Mayer Baldwin? He gives the definition likewise. Let us discuss about that. What is economical development according to the Professor Mayer and Baldwin? Okay, here the economic development is a process. What is economic development is a process whereby an economy's real national income increase over the period of time. What is it? Consists economic development is the process. It is the process and whereby an economy's real national income increases. What is through that process how it increase the national income. But it is increasing the national income through the process, increasing the national income over long period of time. What is over long period of time is called the development. What they explains here in this, Professor Mayer and Baldwin is explains likewise. Economical development is the process. Economic development is the process and whereby the increase the real national income. They explain likewise increase the real national income over by a long period. Over by a long period is called the economical development. Yes, here it is very interesting and also the very knowledgeable definition they are giving that likewise. So it includes the 3 points. What is it? Includes the 3 points. What are those? First one is the is a process. Economic development is a process. Second one is the increasing real national income. Afterwards, what is the meaning of real? Is it increasing the real national income? Then afterwards, a long period of time. Over a long period of time is called what is development. According to him, it is a known process increasing the real national income after over long period. Okay, is called the economical development. He is not considered here only the short period development. Is not considered as the economical development. Is it? So economical development is a process. It is increase the real national income as over period. Okay. Yes, let us discuss about these 3 points. What is the meaning of process? What is the meaning of real national income? And what is the meaning of long period of time? Yes, here real national income. First one is the process. Second one is the real national income is the very important for the economic development. What is the real national income? Real national income is production of the goods and services in a country during a period. What is production of the goods? All goods and services. What is production of all goods and services in a country during a period is called national income. Real national income is production of goods, all goods and services in a country during a period is called the national income. National income is the very good measure for the development of the country. Every country, is it? If the national income is increased, the country development is also increased. Country get the development. If the national income is decreased, means country get the underdevelopment. Vice versa. When according to the national income, when it increase, when the national income is increased, similarly the development of the country is also increased. When the national income is decreased, the development of the country is also decreased. Okay. Yes, here the main thing is real. What is real? Real means purchasing power. What is real means what? Purchasing power. Yes, here real means what? Purchasing power. Okay. Yes, here what is the purchasing power means? Enhance. We should want the development, or we want the development of the country, we should enhance our national income. We want to enhance our national income means what? We should enhance the purchasing power of the people. How this purchasing power comes? To provide the employment opportunity after good education facility. Is it? And implements of the many more skills and technology and investment of the capital through the capital accumulation. Is it? These are all the very important. Through that only we improve our purchasing power. Is it? So sometimes the price get the inflation. Inflation means what? Sometimes it is increased, sometimes it becomes a decrease. Is it? When the prices are increased, on that time our purchasing power is decreased. Along with the increasing price, our purchasing power is also increased, means what? It manage the gap between the purchasing power and also the price. Okay. So similarly, sometimes we are not increase our purchasing power along with the increased price, means what happens here? Underdevelopment happens here. People are not reach the goods and services. It goes for the backwardness. Okay, but here along with the every year we can see that the price of the goods and services are increasing. Is it? So frequently. But similarly our income is also increased. Income increase means what happens here? There is our purchasing power is not more. It means we reach the same level. Okay. But it is for example nowadays the gold rate is 50,000 for example, not the exact 50,000. Is it? But our salary is the 70,000, means what? We are reaching the gold rate. Is it? But gold rate is is increase means what happens? Gold rate is 1 lakh rupee. Is it? But our salary is increased likewise. How much? At before 75,000. So now it is the 1 lakh means 1,20,000 means what happens? At before we are earning more means 20,000 only. But now also we are earning 20,000 and gold rate. It means what happens? Similarly stagnant. At before also we saved the 20,000 rupee. Now also we saving the 20,000 rupee. Understand this? What is along with the gold rate? Along with the gold rate, our income is also increased means it manage the it manage the gap between the price and also the income. But it is not a development. But it is not a development. We can see here. It is the impossible stagnant development we can see here. Stagnantly we are moving. Okay. So this is called what it is a real national income. Real national income is real means purchasing power. Okay, so it's a very necessary for the every government to make the neutral of the price in the sense to reduce the inflation. Inflation means increasing and decreasing of the prices. It is called the inflation. So government should reduce this type of the inflation and maintain the same what is the price of the goods and services is also the necessary. Understand this? This is all about the real national income. What's the meaning of national income? Production of the goods and services in a country during a period is called the national income. Real means purchasing power. How the purchasing power is increased? Through providing the employment opportunity, good education, skill development of the technology. Is it? So it increase the purchasing power. This is all about the real national income. Then the third process, in the sense the third element of the Mayer and Baldwin definition, that is a long period. Is it? What it is? It is called the long period. What is long period? Its development is based on a long period. It should develop the more years. So they suggest for the 10 years. What is our national income increase up to 10 years means we consider that is that country is a developed country. Okay, what is that is the development. But the little sprout of the 2-3 years is not considered as the development. For example, you are from the 8th standard or the first standard, you are getting the out of out in the exam. In the sense, in the final exam, you are getting the out of out or 90%, 99%, 95% frequently. What is it? You are getting the 97% frequently from the baby class to 10th standard. We consider that is the development. Okay, that is the development. If you take the 99 out of out in the first standard, second standard, third standard, afterwards your result is decrease means what? That is not development. You should, what is frequently increase your marks by year is considered as a development. Here also we apply this technique into the country. Every country which is increase its national income up to 10 years or the more, is it? So increase its national income, it means what it is? Development. Is it? Otherwise only 1 year or 2 year it increase its national income, it is not considered. The small sprouts are not considered as the development. Up to 10 years we should increase our national income, it is considered as what it is? Development. Understand this? Yes, these are the elements of the what is Mayer and Baldwin definition. What are those? Process, real national income, and also the last one is the long period.